Hello everyone. Our application UStudy is a complete education portal. My project team members are Anand, Sivakrishna, Balakrishna and myself. Let's look at the idea of our project. It's a native mobile app which will be used by the Android users for searching colleges in USA based on GRE, TOEFL and finance. The data for this project has been taken from nces.ed.gov, which is a government education website. We use certain machine learning techniques too in our application. Let's look at the system architecture. Our architecture consists of data which will be sent to our framework where the data will be clustered and stored. Now this stored data will be passed further to store it in Solar in the JSON format. Whenever there is a request from the user, we will be retrieving data from Solar and this data will be passed again and displayed on the screen. Now let's see how we can work on R. So first you need to set your home directory using the highlighted commands on the screen. Once you are in the home directory, you need to import your data into R using command read. The format can be anything. Here we use CSV. Once you have the imported data, for k-means clustering, you need to specify the dimensions. Here our dimensions are GRE and TOEFL. Once you have selected the dimensions, you need to club the imported data and also the dimensions and store it again. Once you have done that, specify the number of profiles you need for each colleges. Here we mentioned it as 4. So now after running k-means API, which is already there in R, you will have the results for each college. Let's see in R what are the results. Now you can see here for each college there are 4 columns beside to each of them. The first column represents very high profile college, the second column represents high profile college, third column represents average college and fourth column represents low profile college. Now this data will be the result of our k-means clustering. Now let's see the usage of our application. The user can log in either as a guest user or a registered user. Now log in as a registered user and click on login. Once you clicked on login, at the bottom, whenever you click login, we will run a recommendation algorithm which showcases the recommendations for you. The colleges will be listed based on your user profile and recommended for you. This algorithm runs only for the registered user. Now specify the criteria for the colleges you require, like GRE, TOEFL, location, finance, and tuition fee. All fields are must. Once you have specified your details, click on search to see the results. Here there will be 2 sections. First section consists of all the colleges which are the results of your search criteria. But the second section will be also the recommendations which you have seen prior page, but now these recommendations are further pruned based on the specifications which you have specified. So now the recommendations will consist of the colleges in Alabama based on the financial details based on your GRE and TOEFL score. So from the list we recommend you the below 2 colleges. Let's log out from this page and see what happens for the guest user. Let's click on logout and log in again as a guest user. Click on guest user. As I mentioned prior, there will be no recommendations for the guest user. The rest all remains same for the guest user too. You need to specify the related columns like location, GRE, TOEFL, tuition fee range and financial aid. Based on your inputs, we will be sending the data to the Solar and retrieving the appropriate results back to you. This work was done in partial fulfillment of the requirements of Knowledge Discovery and Management course at University of Missouri, Kansas City under the esteemed guidance of Dr. Lee and Fei-Chen Shen. Thank you.